Good evening viewers, and I hope you are watching my channel, and Jai Jagannath. I hope you are watching my channel in hal and hearty and in a well condition. Thank you to watching my channel, and today I am going to discuss about doctrine of lispendens. The doctrine of lispendens, as you know, that the transfer of pending relating to transfer that is dealt in section 52 of Indian Transfer Property Act 1882. The interesting conflict of the right between the two owners and purchaser, that party can arise in the following ways. Let's take instances. Suppose a litigation is pending between A and B with regard to the ownership of certain property. If A wins the suit, and he would be entitled to the property, and conversely the suit goes in B's favor, he would get the property. But suppose the suit, when the suit is pending, in that case the claiming to be the owner of the property sell it to the X, who does not know anything about the suit pending between A and B. Ultimately the suit ends in A's favor. In that case, the question that will arise, that between X and A, which will giving the priority and free force. In that case, it is precisely answer a question with regard to that in which section 52 comes into play. That's section 52, which deals with doctrine of lispendens. The doctrine of lispendens, the main object of the doctrine of lispendens, as you know, it's the main object that the doctrine of lispendens, that the rule is a final adjudication. The necessity of this principle is that is a need of a final adjudication, and it aims the prevention of the multiplicity of suits and proceeding, and the transaction entered into during the pendency of the suit and proceeding cannot be in the interest of justice, the party, and not to the transaction. The object of the rule is to protect one of the parties to a litigation against the order. The leading case in this subject is the English case, that is Bellamy versus Savine. The doctrine is what is the essential which made and constitute the doctrine of lispendens. Let's first know what is the doctrine of lispendens. As you know, that the essential in order to constitute the doctrine of lispendens, the following elements which must be present. There must be a suit of proceeding. इसका मतलब है there must be a suit and proceeding, and the suit proceeding must be in one which the right to immovable property is directly and specifically in question. Directly and specifically in question. And then the suit proceeding must not be a collusive one, and that not be in between the party, must be collusive one. Then if that is a collusive one, then the doctrine of lispendens is not applicable, and the suit and proceeding must be in pending, and the suit proceeding pending होना चाहिए, और the suit and proceeding must be pending in a court of competent jurisdiction, और competent jurisdiction के अंदर होना चाहिए. और competent jurisdiction जो है कि जो कोर्ट का उन पे पावर होना चाहिए, कि कोर्ट जो है उसके ऊपर जुरिडिक्शन होना चाहिए कि वो उसके ऊपर विचार कर सके. और तीसरी बात जो है, द प्रॉपर्टी डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चन स्पेसिफिकली कोर्स इन द सूट मस्ट बी ट्रांसफर ड्यूरिंग द पेंडेंसी, एंड द पेंडेंसी के अंदर होना चाहिए. ये सब एसेंशियल हैं जो डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लिस्पेंडेंस लागू हो सकते हैं. और डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लिस्पेंडेंस को लेकर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक जाहिर किया था एक मैटर में, जो कि है जिसमें कि इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ सूट से ही जो प्रेजेंटेशन डेट, द डेट ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशन विल बी टेक इनटू अकाउंट इन द डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लिस्पेंडेंस. While deciding in the review, the Honorable Supreme Court held that the institution of suit not in when the serving of notice has been served upon on that day, the application of lispendens will applicable. In that case, the Supreme Court observed that the application of the lispendens suit is applicable from the date of the institution and the presentation of the suit. That's all about what I am discussing about the doctrine of lispendens. I hope you understand what I am discussing about the doctrine of lispendens. Thank you to watching my channel, and I hope you understand what I am saying. Thank you, and I hope you like my video, and I having one request to you, all of you, to watch my video till the end, and hope good night.